see a lot of steps, a lot of frameworks, a lot of blueprints for sales that are trying to develop their method cursor. But a lot of them also feel like very cringe and cliche and very pushy and stuff like that. When I feel कि I'm totally myself, I'm not pushing much. I feel I could have done it, but it's not. It hasn't gone through. Where he said what was agreed. Right. थोड़ा सा वो if I would have gone that way. But again मैंने do that कि नहीं यार ठीक है यार. Then we go on and watch it. So how as you said, no, emotional and non-emotional by balance.
Right.
How do you approach a workout?
And this is about making the other person feel understood. The end. How do you make the other person feel understood? And I tell my new sales people, I said, you're going to take time to learn. In the meanwhile, when the other person is with you on a Zoom call, listen 80% on a 60-minute call. And when you're listening, acknowledge, nod, write down. When you don't know the answer, say, that's a good question. I'll ask somebody and get back to you. At the end, give them some resources and then come back, ask the more experienced people, they'll give you an answer, we'll go on the next call. This is for people who have no idea. But for people who know their business, are founders, when the founder is going on a call, listen to the person. Ask them the right question based on the pain points that you already have. Like I've asked all of you people before you came in, one common question I always ask is, for me to know who is the person that I'll be working with, what did you do, how many times did you do what you did, and why did you continue to not find success with it? This question allows me to find the pattern. And many times the answer is, I gave up midway, or I didn't spend enough money. Then my next question is, what makes you feel that you're going to do it now? Because that shows you the pain. And a lot of people, like yesterday, a gentleman said, that agar nahi hua 2 mahine mein, 3 mahine mein, so I told my team, I said, we're not going to address, I don't want him to come on our next call. Because if somebody is putting 100% this thing on, आप मुझे बताओ. So that means आप मुझे तैयार ही नहीं हो, बहुत मेहनत, time waste होगा, रहने दो. Same for all of you people as agency founders. When somebody comes to you and says, you tell me, there's like, no, I'm not ready to walk half the journey. They're going to be toxic clients. So number one, answer to your question is listen 80% of the time. बोलने की जल्दी करोगे, deal खत्म हो जाएगी. Write it down because we know we're not intelligent. We need to understand. क्योंकि उसने जो बोला है, उसी that is your next. Your next thing, you're not going ready with an answer. Your answer is coming from his concern. वो 3 point उसने बोले और एक pattern ढूंढ लो. Pattern will tell you गिर रहा है. If you can help them, tell them, okay, this time is going to be 3 lakh rupees a month Facebook ad budget for next 4 months. इस बार ये नहीं होगा, आप एक देखोगे नहीं. 10 लाख रुपए आप इसके लिए साइड रखोगे, इतनी क्लासेस होंगी, इतना ये होगा, this is how we're going to do it. Return, this is projected. And then they leave the ball in their court. So sales is not about closing. It's just going to the next level. Closing, 2-step closing, 3-step closing, ये तो बेचने के तरीके होते हैं. But nobody can tell you कब close हो. But the thing is, you give them the next step, make them feel heard, tell them the pattern, show them the धीरे. Sales is about धीरे से दिखाना है कि वो खुद ही समझ जाए. क्योंकि कोई किसी से समझने वालों में से नहीं है. ना हम ना कोई और. लोग अपने आप से ही समझते हैं. You can only show them the mirror, and some mirrors you can show, like Coach DJ shows figures. इतना ही प्रॉफिट है, प्रॉफिट तो है ही नहीं मेरा. शीशा दिखा दिया, ये नहीं बोला मैं बताता हूँ. You show, आप उसका मिरर दिखाओ, क्रिएटिव्स का मिरर दिखाओ, रिजल्ट्स का मिरर दिखाओ. कंपटीशन 3x3 is a mirror. कि कंपटीशन ये कर रहा है, आप ये नहीं कर रहे हो. Show them the mirror. They will come back to you and ask you the how and how much. When they say how, 50% deal is done. When they say how much, then 80-90% of the deal is done. So, but अगर हम सेल्स को ये समझ के जाए ना कि मुझे यार क्लोज, देन हम सुनना, ये सारे सिस्टम छूट जाते हैं हमारे. करना था आज. So the thing is to take him to the next level only. Listen to him, pick up the 3 points that he's given, start answering those points, give him something to ponder about, and never close a call without fixing the next time to me. Because नहीं तो हो गया. अच्छा, तो I understand अभी right now we're not on the same page 100%. I'm sending you a few PDFs and this video and also the recording of the call you would like, right? So 3 things I'm sending you, plus this AI notes and all of that. So 17th is a good day. 18th morning, okay, 11 o'clock. I'm just sending you. Can you just open your email? Can you just accept the invite? Okay, done. Then you know you're fine. Otherwise आपका time waste हो गया और वो फिर उसको फिर ढूंढते रहोगे.